Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope for Uruguay, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your online privacy and streaming needs there. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for users in Uruguay? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your data and browsing stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch that instantly cuts your internet if the VPN drops, so your real location in Uruguay won't be exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't keep records of your online activity. But where they differ, that's what really matters when picking a VPN for Uruguay. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Uruguay because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of scams or trackers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you create a super secure private connection with friends or family, no matter where you are. The one small downside, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your phone, laptop, and smart TV in Uruguay all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so anyone can verify there are no backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than promises, it's proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and manages every server itself. No middlemen, they have complete control over all their hardware, which means a more stable connection for you in Uruguay. And for those worried about speed, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy to lower ping, which can help when streaming or gaming with less delay, though it does give up some encryption for that boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Uruguay? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother streaming and quicker downloads. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering steady performance with the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but tests show the ping might spike depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Pick NordVPN if speed is your top priority, whether you're streaming Uruguayan content or accessing global shows with the most features and excellent privacy. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices or a household wanting reliable, stable connections. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer fantastic value. And finally, choose PIA if you want the best privacy-proof and open-source trustworthiness while sticking to a budget in Uruguay. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using in Uruguay. See you soon.